3 ways to create a car wash flyer on DesignWiz. Let's get started. First, use ready-made templates. DesignWiz has a wide variety of car wash flyer templates ready to go. Just pick a template, customize it to match your brand, and your flyer is ready to download or print, super fast and stress-free. Second, use the AI flyer generator. Can't find a template that fits your style? Go to Top Menu, AI Tools, then AI Flyer Generator. Type what kind of flyer you want, add your business details, colors, and theme, then click Generate Flyer. Your custom car wash flyer is ready in seconds. Plus, you can easily customize it further to match your style and make any changes you want. Third, create from scratch. Make your flyer manually in a few easy steps. Add the main title. Choose a font, color, and size that matches your brand style. Add images. Use the DesignWiz image library or upload your own photos to showcase sparkling cars, highlight offerings like exterior wash or detailing. Make the text stand out with vibrant colors. Add a QR code. Link it to your booking page or phone number for easy customer access. DesignWiz has all the tools you need to create a professional car wash flyer from scratch. And that's it. Start creating your flyer today with DesignWiz for free.